Today we are discussing the next grammar portion, singular and plural. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular nouns. Singular nouns refer to one person, place, animal or thing. Singular means one. So singular nouns refers to one person, place, animal or thing. For example, student, building, got, pen, etc. These are singular nouns. It also refers to a student, a building, a got, pen, etc. Next we are going to discuss about plural nouns. Plural nouns refers to more than one. It also refers to more than one. More than one person, place or thing. We can add yes to most of the words to mean more than one. We can use yes to mean more than one. For example, pen, pens. A pen, we can say pen, and if it is two or more pens, we can say pens. So by adding yes, we can refer more than one pen. So pen, pens. The next thing is swing. More than one swing is swings. By using yes, it also refers the plural noun swings. Carpet, carpets. House, houses, etc. For the plural form of the most nouns, add yes. For getting plural form of the nouns, we are commonly adding yes. Pencil, pencils. Doll, dolls. Cat, cats. Jar, jars, etc. We can add yes with a singular noun. That time we will get the plural form of the nouns. Most of the nouns adding yes to get the plural form of nouns. Next we are discussing about the nouns which ends with the letter F or FE. It's also changed into V and add ES. That means the words which ends with F or FE, we can, when we change it as a plural noun, we can add V and ES for getting this plural nouns. For example, life, lives. In this word life ends with the letter F and E. So when we want to write the plural nouns with this word life, by adding V, ES. Lives. After adding this V and ES, we got the plural noun of the singular noun life. The next one is wife. The plural form of wife is wives. Wife is a singular noun. When we want to write the plural noun of the wife, we have add in the place of F and E, we have add V and ES. That time we got the plural form of wife is wives. The next one is leaf. In this word leaf ends with the letter F. F has changed into VES. That's why we got the plural noun from a singular noun. If it is the letters ends with F and FE, we have to add V and ES to the plural nouns. The plural form of life is lives. The plural form of wife is wives. The plural form of leaf is leaves. For nouns that ends in x, ch, s or ez, the words which ends with the letter x, ch, s or ez, if we want to write the plural noun of the same, we can add es to the singular noun. That time we get the plural form of the same noun. If the word is ends with x, ch, s or ez, we can add es with that singular noun. That time we get the plural noun of the singular noun. For example, box, boxes. Here the word box ends with the letter x. So when we want to write the plural form of the box, we have to add es here. So we got the plural form of the box is boxes. The next one is bus. Bus ends with the letter s. We have add es form to the singular noun. That time we got the plural form of bus is buses. The next example is bench. Bench is a word which ends with the letter ch. We have added es with this word. That time we got the plural form of the bench is benches. So we can add es with the letters ends with x, ch, s or z. For example, box, boxes, bus, buses, bench, benches, etc. Next we have to discuss about some nouns. Do not change their plural forms. Now we have to discuss about some nouns. The singular and plural forms are same. For example, chair, chair, sheep, sheep, aircraft, aircraft. In these three words, the singular noun and the plural nouns are same. There is no change in their plural forms. Next we have to discuss about some nouns that end in a consonant and y change y into ies. Next we have to discuss about some nouns. It ends with letter y and it has changed into ies. Y changed into ies. For example, story. Here the last letter of the story is y. This y changes into ies. That time we get the plural noun of story. Story, stories. The next example is lady. Lady ends with the letter y. So y has changed into ies. That time we get the plural noun of lady, ladies. The next one is baby. This also ends with the letter y, and when we add ies with this, in the place of y, we get the plural form of baby, babies, etc. So some nouns that ends in consonant sound, y changes into ies. For example, story, stories, lady, ladies, baby, babies, etc. Now we have to discuss about some nouns have different plural forms. Some nouns that have different plural forms. For example, man, the plural form of man is men. Tooth, the plural form of tooth is teeth. The next one is child. The plural form of child is children. The last one is mouse. The plural form of mouse is mice. So in these nouns have different plural forms. For example, man, men, tooth, teeth, child, children, mouse, mice, etc. The plural form of some nouns that are compound words are formed by adding s to the first word. So now we have to discuss about the compound words and their plural forms. We have to add s to the compound word for getting the plural of some nouns. For example, daughter-in-law. When you want to write the plural form of daughter-in-law, we have to add yes with the first word. That means daughter became daughters-in-law. That is the plural form of compound words like daughter-in-law. So the plural form of daughter-in-law is daughters-in-law. The next example is passerby. Passerby. In this words we can add, this is also a compound word, we can add yes to the first word. So we have to get passers-by is the answer. So plural form of passerby is passers-by. Some nouns seems plural but are used as singular nouns. Some nouns we can feel like that it's a plural noun, but actually it is using as singular nouns. For example, names of subjects, English, mathematics, etc. we can use as singular nouns. Names of some diseases like mumps, measles, etc. we can consider as singular nouns. These nouns are seen as plural, but it is actually singular nouns. For example, subjects and diseases. Let's discuss about some nouns that have two parts as a pair. Use the phrase a pair of before such nouns. Example, a pair of scissors, a pair of spectacles, etc. Let's discuss about some plurals which seems tricky. Plurals of some nouns are tricky. Example, photo, photos, volcano, volcanoes, etc. In this video, we have discussed about singular and plural. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular nouns refers to one person, place, animal or thing, etc. Plural noun refers to more than one person, place or thing. And we have to discuss today for the plural form of most nouns and yes, how we can make it as plural form of some of the nouns, and like bottle, bottles, cup, cups, cat, cats, cow, cows, etc. And some for nouns ending in f or fe changes into fe or v, and we can add yes. The next thing is the nouns that ends with the letter x, ch, s or ez, we can add es with that singular noun to get the plural noun. And some other nouns do not change their plural form. Their singular noun and the plural forms are same. And the next thing is the nouns that ends in a consonant like y, it also changes it to ies. Duty, duties, stories, stories, etc. The next thing is some nouns have different plural forms like man, men, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice, etc. Next we have discussed about the compound words like daughter-in-law, passerby. We have to add yes with the first word. We get this daughters-in-law and passers-by. The next thing is the name of subjects, the name of disease, etc. are seen as singular nouns. Next we have to add the phrase like a pair of with such names, like a pair of scissors, pair of spectacles to get the plural nouns. And the last thing is the plural of some nouns are tricky like photos, volcanoes, etc.